press. Doing flips is simple. So here you guys can see it out in the light. Hello guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're checking out this drone. This is the HS430 mini drone. So I'm pretty excited. Maybe HS stands for hyperspeed. So let's go ahead and open up and see what we get inside the box here. All right, nicely packaged. That's always a plus. Let's see, we got our charging cables, extra blades, screwdriver, some landing gear. Let's pop this open here and see. So we got a really nice, oh, that's a nice little remote. So nice little remote. You got a spot for your cell phone holder that actually pops right down in and hides your start or power button, I should say. Let's go ahead and see. It takes 3 AAA batteries. I don't think they provide the batteries for your remote control. We'll see. Also a manual on how to use it. Oh, let's see here. Ooh, this is nice. All right, we gotta be careful pulling it out. We got one, 2, 3 batteries. They provide you with 3 batteries. I tell you what, you guys can have a lot of fun. So I recommend pushing from the bottom to pull the drone out, and whoa, that is lightweight. Look how compact this is. So it's all folded. Let's go ahead and pull out the blades. You just pull them directly out. Wow. Check that out, guys. Wow, with it being this lightweight, oh, this is gonna be interesting. So, does have a camera. It looks like a pretty big lens as well. Very nice, simple design. Let's go ahead and start charging one of these batteries up fully. That way it's ready for testing. And for charging, you just plug it in. Let's see here. You're hiding from me. Oh, there we go. Plug it in right under. It's right under the end of the battery. And then that just plugs into a USB outlet. So we just plug that directly into a USB outlet. All right, so we need AAA batteries. It's pretty awesome, guys. I like this drone. Okay, guys, so these stick right in front of the blades on the drone, these little black plastic pieces, and this is to protect your blade. Just if you get close to something, it will help bounce off, and they just push right in. Be careful pushing them in. Power button is on the bottom. Don't know if there's going to be any juice in their stock batteries. Most times they recommend you charging the batteries up fully before testing out. So keep that in mind. So you press and hold. Once you do that, it starts blinking, and that means it wants to be paired. So now that we got our batteries in place here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to give this a shot. Press and hold the power button. All right. So land right in the grass. So what you do is you just basically go straight down. We're gonna try and find a little dirt spot. You slowly go down, and there is an automatic landing. Let's actually try that. There we go, we tried it. We just press the button. There we go. Now there is auto takeoff. Let's see if it works. So once you gotta enable the motors, then you can use the auto takeoff. Whoa. Okay, that was awesome. Guys, look at this. We gotta come here and show you guys. Look at this. You press a button and look at it. Press it again and it stops. How awesome is that? That's perfect for taking photos and stuff. Guys, this is extremely fun. This is definitely in the top 5 smaller drones I've ever reviewed. And I'm serious, guys. And we just started, and I'm sure there's plenty of other features that we gotta learn. You know what? Let's see if we can land on our garage roof. You guys are probably not gonna see it, so let's go ahead and see. It's gonna be pretty far away, but let's have some fun here. We're gonna drop it down into low mode, and now we want high maneuvering. So we're gonna go over here. Now our garage roof is on a slant. I'm using my shadow. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh no, that didn't work. Too much on a slant. All right. All right, guys, it's beeping, so I wonder if battery could be getting low. So we're gonna come back. All right, guys, when your remote control starts beeping, that's when you got to get it back to you as quick as you can. So ours was beeping and it automatically landed itself right in our grass. But if you're flying it somewhere far or really high and your remote starts beeping, get it back to you as soon as possible so you don't lose your drone. Overall, guys, I'm giving it a 5-star. So guys, my honest opinion is a 5-star rating. Absolutely love it. I mean, I absolutely love this drone. Definitely 5-star rating. I don't normally give drones high ratings because a lot of them fail, but this one definitely gets a 5-star rating from me. Actually, this is probably one of the first miniature drones I've ever reviewed that I gave a 5-star rating. That's how much I love this, and we still got a ton of features left to test it out with. So guys, overall, absolutely love it.